Hello friends, good afternoon. I am Anjali Meena from Day English Institute. Today I want to tell about very interesting topic, and the name of my topic is the power of subconscious mind. So let's start. The subconscious mind is a hidden powerhouse of human brain. It is working silent servant. It is like silent servant working 24 hours, storing every thought, moment, belief, and habits. Scientists say that about 90 to 95% of mental activities controlled by the subconscious mind, but while the conscious mind controls only 5 to 10%. So I want to tell you about the power of subconscious mind through a story. Once upon a time there was a farmer. He had two pieces of land. One land he show a good seeds of beets, and another land he didn't. And after some weeks, the land of wheat gray or into the good, beautiful, and golden seeds. But the empty land, it didn't stay empty because it is full of weeds and garbage and grass. So the farmer realized something important. Uh, Land automatically grow. Land will always produce weeds if I show good seeds or not. It I don't choose because land will automatically grow. So guys, our subconscious mind just like that empty land, because if we show positive thoughts like success, confidence, and happiness, so it give us harvest of success and peace. But if didn't control it, so negative thoughts like fear, anger, and doubt automatically produce. So just like a farmer, we show a good seeds and positive thoughts in our subconscious mind with a positive affirmation, skills, dreams, and beliefs. Thank you so much.